Annyeonghaseyo, Ate Maria.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, maayong buntag. Okay, so I'm here to deliver that 2,000 pesos for you. And that is for living expenses in your house. Okay, and the ice cream, they have 7 members. And Niljin.
Also Niljin.
Also Niljin. Niljin is additional members for the ice cream starting today. Okay. And that is from Ichangunim.
Ichangunim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Melissa.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Ayong buntag. Okay, so I'm here to deliver the ice cream for the study room. They will eat one per student now and also for tomorrow after class. Okay. Masudra nag-ref dili no? Sige, bilhin lang ng mga styro. Okay. And that is from yung buntag nim.
Maayong buntag nim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida for the ice cream.
Okay. Teacher Jen will take the rest of the ice cream. Okay. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo, Namyeongjunin. Thank you for the rice and milk. Kamsahamnida.
I'm here at Cebuana. So this is Chris James Cebuana card.
Oh, di na kinakailangan ID, no? Salamat. Basta ikalimot ko sila, tawagin ko.
This is Christian Savings. Kamsahamnida.
Yeah.